Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing pulled pork on the Big Green Egg. Okay, we'll go ahead and get started. I've got an 8-pound pork shoulder here that we're going to start by seasoning. With pork shoulder, we're going to do a nice low and slow smoke on this. So 225 degrees, it's about 2 hours a pound. So this is going to take some time. It's going to be close to 16 hours. But we'll go ahead and get started on the process here. We're just going to rub this, give it something. Some people will use mustard as well. Just want to make sure I get a nice coat of the olive oil, like so. And now we're ready to season. One nice attachment we have here, this is a pretty cool feature. If you don't want to get all your seasoning all over the counter, you can just pop that up. It's a cutting board, but it also helps eliminate the mess getting all over the counter, because we're going to put a bunch of seasoning. So today I'm using Red Eye Express from Dizzy Pig. We sell this, of course, in our store at Outdoor Home. And as always, you can get a sample if you like before you try it, before you buy it. You do not want to go light. You're going to want this for bark on the finished product for pulled pork. So this is not where you start cutting corners on the seasoning. Just kind of pat it in. Don't forget the fat side. And I always say don't forget the ends as well. You got to make sure you get it everywhere. This is going to give you nice color and taste at the end, what we call bark on the finished product. And there we go, that's ready to go on the Big Green Egg. All right, I've got my Big Green Egg dialed in at 225 degrees. You can see we're smoking. I've added hickory chunks to the actual fire. That's why we're seeing the smoke. We're indirect, so we're not right over the coal. And now we're just gonna take our pork shoulder, place it right on the middle. I like to do fat side up. And then now that just takes time. That's gonna cook for about 10 hours, and then we're gonna wrap it in the pink butcher paper to kind of protect it. So we'll check back in about 10 hours. Okay, we're about 10 hours in. We're gonna take a peek. Got great looking color. I'm gonna do a technique called wrapping at this point in time. So I don't wanna add any more color to this. That's the color I'm looking for. I got enough smoke on this pork shoulder. So I'm gonna go ahead and carefully remove this and place it on some pink butcher paper. So the butcher paper allows moisture to go through, but protects from the smoke. I don't wanna get any more smoke on the roast. But I don't want to put it in aluminum foil because that would actually kind of turn it to mush. So I'm just going to pull this, flip it over, just like so, and we're going to put this back on the egg for about another 5 or 6 hours. All right, so now we're just ready to take our roast in the butcher paper and place it right back on the Big Green Egg. Another 5 to 6 hours. All right, well, this is a good sign here. Now we just want to pull the pork, which you can use claws, you can use forks, but based on that, just pulling out of there, I think I'm just going to use my hands. So now we just start pulling the meat away. We're going to make some barbecue sandwiches here. Look at that. If you like what you see, you can get a recipe at ky3.com or stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa for a printed copy.